these are the papers that I used. Hello everyone, for today's project share, it's an envelope mini album. So here I just string some beads, a tassel, and this charm. It says made with love. I got this charm from AliExpress. Then here on the cover, I just layered some circle die cuts, and this butterfly was a white one given to me by Connie Barnum, also here in YouTube, and I just colored it pink and with a shade of blue using the ink pad given to me by Cheryl Sabato here in YouTube. Then the flowers are given to me by Sintang Mayumi. It comes like this. What I did was I put hot glue inside. I put hot glue, then crunch the flower like this, and put an enamel dot in the middle. This one also was given to me by Sintang Mayumi. Then I hot glue another piece to make these flowers. And then for the base, I used the envelope, this kind of envelope. What I did was I just tape the flap to close, then cut a sliver on the side to make a pocket, just like this. Okay. So this envelope I made using the We Are Memory Keepers envelope punch board. Then I put the magnet on the closure as the closure. Then just some Project Life journaling cards from Monday till Sunday. This is the back. Then I made a tag. It got stuck. So these are the pages, just simple pages. It will hold like 3R pictures. I inked the edges with pink. Just plain white with the pink edges. The back cover, I just left it blank, so you can also put a photo here if you want, or you can journal. It will hold like 40 photos, 2 for each page, and there are 10 pages, so 20, and 2 for each insert, so 40 photos in all. I hope you like this project share. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.